Okay, this is Piazza system, and in the AP Computer Science course, we will use it for assigning the homework and also the homework solution and also whatever handout, just like normal class. But this will be useful, and then it will be more convenient. And it actually is like it is used by many universities like Berkeley. Okay, so let me see. Here, for example, right? Berkeley itself has a Piazza account as well. It's coming up, okay? So you can type in whatever class you have for UC Berkeley, okay? That's what it is. And then for my school, when you go to piazza.com, you should see something like this, right? And then you can basically here you have sign up, and then you say student get started, and you should see here, right? And then you need to type in UC Berkeley or something, but my school EC Academy, okay? And there are two, but actually I'm using the one longer, okay? The shorter one, for some reason I'm trying to test it, but actually it's not very useful. So pick this one, not the GEC one, but it's EC Academy. Pick this one, and it should come up with something like this, and you select 4 because you are CS 22 AP Computer Science, so it has a CS 22 Computer Science A, something like that. And then here, you should join a student, and then say CS 22, something like that. I'm sorry, lowercase, CS 22, and no space. And then click join class. That should be okay. And then you may be required to write some login information or something. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Can you try? Let me actually close let you share the screen and then see how it works, okay? So right here, let me just close this one, and then I stop sharing, and you share your screen for us. And let me make sure that you actually sign in correctly for this Piazza system. So share your screen first. Okay, and then go to Piazza. .com. That's okay, capital lowercase for URL is the same. Yeah, just click it. Okay, and sign up a student.
Login.
No. Here, select school first. Sign up. Yeah, student get started. And the school, EC, lowercase e, capital C. And space academy. Okay, the second one. Yeah. And then select the fall 2018. Not the summer, fall. Yeah, fall 2018. And then select your class CS space. Uppercase. Yeah, that's the one that you pick up. That one? Yeah. SS code student. SS code CS22, lowercase, yeah. And then pull down your menu, join class. Okay, then you need to enter your email. So your email should be the one that you use for my class.
I don't.
You don't know your email?
I don't know which email I use.
This one, yeah. This is a there's a C in between, yeah. This is the one, yeah. And then convert the email, type the same thing. This should be the one I activate you. So click it. Okay, validation code. It should be sent to your email. So you go to your Gmail to see it. So it should have been sent to your Gmail. So go to your, you click a new tab and then new tab, new tab. And then log into your Gmail.
Oh, wait, I got it from my phone.
Oh, okay, you got to your phone, that's fine. Then you pick the PSA and then type the validation code.
Okay.
Yeah, type it, whatever code it is. Okay, submit code. Set up your account. Choose your password. Make sure something you can remember, okay? No, you just type the thing. Whatever, just select undergraduate. Yeah. Major, just pick computer science. Yeah. And then it's whatever time you want to have. Just say June 2020, 2022 or something. Yeah, something like that. Just set. Yeah. What's that? Okay, so junior network student employee. This one is like they will actually give you the hiring information. Just click join the big network. It doesn't matter that much. And then pull down whatever and very good. Okay, you are in. Okay, so now you are in Piazza. Okay, so in the future, you just log into here to get whatever information for you. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye now.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.